into a cell rich in glycogen and fats. They are called decidual cells. Therefore, this endometrium is not called endometrium anymore. It's now called decidua basalis. If the villi attaches to the decidua basalis, they are called anchoring villi. If they are floating, they are called floating villi. So here, ay decidua basalis, ang lagi, endometrium. This is the maternal component of the placenta. The villi, together with the chorion, so you have the chorion frondosum, is the fetal component of the placenta. This is your amnion. It arises, the anlage is the epiblast. What is the function? Secrete your amniotic fluid. The lining epithelium is simple plural. No, amnion yan, no? Amnion. Decidual, chorion. If you join your chorion, so if you join them together, you have your chorionic plate. If you join your villi, you have your chorion frondosum. Again, this one is the lens vesicle, this is the optic cup, this is the optic stalk. All of these are coming from your diencephalon. What is the fate of the optic cup? It will become the iris, the ciliary process, including that of the retina. Where will your sclera and choroid come from? From the mesoderm. What is the base of the surface ectoderm? It will become your lens, together with your cornea and your conjunctiva. This is your mesonephric glomerulus. It will degenerate. These are the mesonephric tubules. Some of them will degenerate, others will form part of the vas deferens in male. This is your renal pelvis. Anlage would be your ureteric valve. Fate would be your renal pelvis. This is your renal cavity, ureter. The ureter. Anlage would still be the ureteric valve. Fate would be the ureter. Germ layer of origin would be the mesoderm, specifically intermediate mesoderm. This is your cornea. There are three important structures in the cornea. The one that is washed off, it's not present here. It's your epithelium. No? The epithelium, the anterior layer of your cornea is made up of strato-squamous, non-keratinized epithelium. Then you have your boma, which is not very visible. The thickest is your substantia propria. And then you have your vesimen. And finally, the innermost, which is your posterior endothelium, which is made up of squamous cells. How about the space? This is the anterior chamber, and that's the posterior chamber. This space that communicates posterior and anterior is known as your pupil. And this is your iris. Yan yung iris. Yan yung nakalabas, dilator, yung nakalabas, I should say, is your constrictor pupillae. Yung nakadikit doon, yun yung dilator. Pero huwag nyo na isipin yun. Basta iris lang. This is your retina, this is your choroid, and this is your sclera. Sclera, choroid, retina. Identify structure, sclera, function, fibrous coat. Identify structure, choroid, function, blood supply. Identify structure, retina, function, visual sensation. It's a receptor for visual sensation. Okay, this is the lens. This is a ciliary process. Function, secretes aqueous humor. This is your ciliary muscle. That's the ciliary muscle. That is your Slem's canal. What is the function of the Slem's canal? The ciliary process will secrete aqueous humor that goes to the posterior chamber, passes through the pupil, goes to the anterior chamber, drains in the Slem's canal. If it is not drained, then you increase the pressure for the condition known as glaucoma. This is the cornea. This is the iris. Therefore, this is the iridocorneal angle. In cases of acute angle, then there will be a condition wherein you impinge on this, and there may be decreased drainage, and therefore there will be increased pressure, called again glaucoma. This is a nice view of your of your cornea. This one is a stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. This is the endothelium, which is simple squamous, and this is the substantia propria, which is made up primarily of dense, regular connective tissue. Again, this is the lens. This is the posterior chamber. That's the pupil. Remember that? That's the pupil. This is the anterior chamber. Anterior chamber, posterior chamber, pupil, iris. No, iris. So this is your dilator pupillae, constrictor pupillae here. Again, this is another one. This is the optic cup. This is the lens vesicle. Identify structure, optic cup, fate, retina. Identify structure, lens vesicle, fate, lens, and labial lens plateau. Surface ectoderm, fate, it will become your cornea as well as your conjunctiva. This is the anal canal. We don't need this, but we need this. This is your UG sinus. Anlage, cloaca, fate, urinary bladder. Germ layer of origins, endoderm. Identify structure, anlage, cloaca, fate, median, umbilical ligament. So this is a dividing one. UG sinus, rectoanal is the anal. Don't think about this. We're done with that. And you have your Allen. That's the mesonephric duct there. Fate, ureteric bud. Again, this is the undivided cloaca. This is your UG sinus. Eventually, this will become your anal. And this is again your uracus. The communication with your cloaca towards the umbilical area is known as your Allen duct, which will become the uracus, eventually becoming the median umbilical ligament. So this is your mesonephric duct. Part of the mesonephric duct will give rise to the ureteric bud, and the ureteric bud will give rise to this big one. This is your urinary pelvis. This is your forming UG sinus. This is your rectoanal, your anal canal. This is your ureter. Again, this is the forming urinary pelvis. No? So this is the ureter. Okay. Kuha niyo? Lahat isulat niyo yan ha. O, ito na yung last. Isulat niyo lahat yan. Kasi sigurado yun. 1,000%. Ang importante lang kung maalala niyo. Okay. This is Bowman's capsule lined by simple squamous. The inner one is podocyte. These are all proximal convoluted tubule. This is a distal convoluted tubule. Organ. Ureter. Organ, urinary bladder, and this is your detrusor muscle. Organ, kidney. This is the layer, is the medulla. This one is the cortex. If you see a glomerulus, that's the cortex. If you don't see a glomerulus, that's the medulla. You see this medulla here extends towards the cortex. So these are collecting tubules. These are collecting ducts. These are lined by columnar epithelium. These are lined by cuboidal epithelium. If the ducts extends towards the cortex here, these are ducts, these are ducts, these are ducts. That's called the medullary ring. Medullary ring. These are the glomerulus. This one are the juxtaglomerular area. Juxtaglomerular. The juxtanephron. Meaning it's between the cortex and the medulla. Ayan. So this is a distal convoluted tubule. This is another distal convoluted tubule. This is a proximal convoluted tubule. This is the JG apparatus. This is distal. This one is your macula densa. This one, and yung afferent artery. So this one is your JG cells. These are the supporting or lazy cells. Here you have your intramesanglial cells. That is the function. It's for phagocyte. It is lined by simple squamous. That's the parietal layer. This is the visceral layer. Okay? This is another glomerulus. If you are asked to identify everything, JV apparatus. If you are asked to identify the sensory cells, macula densa. These are columnar. If you are asked to identify the secretory cells, then that is your JG cells. If you are asked to identify your supporting cells, that is the extramesangial cells. If you are asked to identify the phagocytic cell, mesangial cell. Mesangial cell or intramesangial cells are the same. Organ? Ureter. Good. Identify the structure. Floating. Ang lagi. Hindi mo galing trophoblast. Ano ba kayo? Trophoblast ba? Okay. So, good luck, ha? So you could have your lunch. I hope you will remember everything that I said. Make sure that